Top 5 Drum Kits in 2020. Number 5. Pearl RS 584cc 31 Roadshow 4-piece drum set. Because your drumming journey should be smooth, easy and hassle-free, the Pearl RS 584 is a toy made for you. It is one of the best drum set package which has everything you need to start playing professionally. It comes with cymbals, hi-hats, snare drum, bass drum, hi-hat stands, snare stands and cymbal stands along with tripod base for maximum stability. Moreover, double-braced legs and interlocking tilter adjustments are also included which help to keep the kit in place when you are playing it like crazy. Best of all, these stands are dual reinforced with adjustable height and angle as per your playing style. Because snare drum is considered as the voice of your kit, the snare included is capable of producing the loudest and softest ghost notes whenever you want. The matching shell and finish nicely complements the natural decor of the room and gives it a premium touch as well. Its bass drum is what is known as the tonal heartbeat because of its slow and pulse for that extra groove. Pros. Easy to set up and use right out of the box. Features 9-ply poplar shells for durability. Dual reinforced stands for maximum stability. All hardware included and chrome-plated. Cons. No screws included to affix the hi-hat pedal to U-bar, coming in number 4. Pearl EXX 725SC 5-piece export new fusion drum set. Looking for a nice and reasonable drum kit which has everything you need to produce quality soundtracks? Pearl EXX 725XC can probably help you out. It is a classy set made from durable maple and well designed. It comes with 930 series hardware pack which comprises a bass drum and P930 pedal as well along with cymbal stand and hi-hat stands. The mahogany finish gives it a professional and beautiful touch and a vibrant noise as well. The bass drum pedal is backed by a high-quality chain system whereas the stands are double-braced for stability and durability. Toms included measure 12, 13 and 16 inches, snare drum is 14 by 5.5 inches while the bass drum is 22 by 18 inches. Pearl kit weighs a total of 103 pounds when packed so must be handled with extreme care when moving around or setting it up. Overall, it offers value for the money made and comes with lifetime guarantee. Pros. Comes with lifetime warranty against all manufacturing defects. Matching snare and Remo snare batter included inside. Damnator pedal included. Available 6 beautiful colors. Cons. Sometimes shipped in multiple boxes which can be a little messy. Coming in number 3. Best Choice Products 5-piece full-size complete adult drum set. Say hello to a complete adult drum set which is known as the most functional kit ever. This kit is specifically designed for the newbies who want to learn drumming and improve their skills. The reason it is great for beginners is because it helps to learn better. Firstly, it comes with all the style, elegance and grace, thanks to the glossy lacquer finish with a matte black touch. Even if you are a professional drummer, you will still love it for the sound it produces. The drums included in it come in full size. This includes crash cymbals with hi-hat and stool stands along with pedals in that are chain-driven. All of the hardware included inside is chrome-plated and gives a premium feel. Cymbals sizes 12 inches and 14 inches and they can be mounted on the stands that come along with your purchase. Finally, there is a 23 inches by 16.5 inches bass drum and a 14 by 6 inches snare drum along with 16 inches drumsticks which gives you the best playing experience. Pros. A perfect drum kit for beginners. Stable, durable and easy to set up. Excellent quality drums with minimal ringing sound. Inexpensive and flexible. Cons. You may need to upgrade cymbals for better performance. Coming in number 2. Pearl RS 525SCC 706 Roadshow 5-piece drum set. Because Pearl has been in the drum business for the past several years, you can trust this company when it comes to quality. A quick look at the Pearl Roadshow tells us that it comes in 4 premium hues: wine red, charcoal, bronze metallic and jet black. The kit features a large 22 by 16 inches bass drum, 16 by 16 inches floor tom, 12 by 9 inches and 10 by 8 inches toms, 5 inches snare drum, cymbal package and all other hardware you need to drum your new kit like crazy. Unlike other sets on the market, it uses 9-ply poplar shell with 1.2mm triple flanged hoop, making it one of the most durable models. It comes with the drum heads and double-braced hardware along with 2 cymbals, 14 inches hi-hats and 16 inches brass crash. The cymbals come with stands for your convenience. You will also get the throne, bass drum pedal, snare stand and the hi-hat stands. All you need to do is the initial setup and you're all buckled up to rock and roll. Pros: quick and easy setup right out of the box. 9-ply poplar shell for maximum durability. Comes with all the hardware you need to play the drums peacefully. Reasonable price. Cons: cymbals that come along are not of good quality. Coming in number 1. Pearl Masters Maple Complete MCT 924XE DPC 348 4-piece drum shell pack. Pearl is one of the best professional drum kits on the market and their drums are made from high-quality maple wood. It comes with 4-piece drum shell pack with absent sparkle which gives it an exotic touch. Each drum is made from even-ply 100% original maple shells which have 6 plies and 4mm thickness. You will love the matte lacquer and lacquer sparkle finish which nicely complements the natural decor of any place you assemble it. The Super Hoops 2 hoops not only results in a punchy and crispier sound but also helps with better tuning. It features the Remo UT pinstripe tom which is considered as one of the best and ported UT Power Stroke 3 Remo heads for the ultimate playing experience. If you are a color-picky person, don't worry because Pearl offers its drum set in 4 premium hues. Other than absent sparkle, it features vermilion sparkle, matte black mist and satin natural burst. Overall, the drums are well packed, gorgeous and come in a secure packaging and will give you the best playing experience ever. Pros: exclusive lifetime warranty. Maple shell 6-ply wood. Matte lacquer and lacquer sparkle finish for a glossy and premium touch. Comes nicely packed. Cons: no drawbacks.